Do you know that you can now make money on Telegram? Just like people make money on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and others, you can also monetize your Telegram channel. Recently, about 5 months ago or so, Telegram brought in monetization. So I'm going to be discussing with you how you can monetize your Telegram channel and boost your income just like on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and other social media platforms. There are requirements on how you can monetize your Telegram channel. And I'm going to be discussing about those requirements. Okay, first of all, there's a difference between a Telegram group and a Telegram channel. You can monetize your Telegram channel, but you can't monetize your Telegram group. So that's the first thing that you need to understand. So if you've been on Telegram, do well to create a channel instead of a group, because channel has so many advantages than group. One of them is the ability to monetize, and secondly, you must have from 1000 subscribers to above. Let me take you through on how you can be able to check if your Telegram channel is monetized or not. Okay, all you need to do is to come to your Telegram channel. Okay, these are my channels. You come to a Telegram channel. Let's take for example this channel. This channel has more than 1000 subscribers. It has 1100 subscribers. So if you want to check, you go to settings, and after you go to settings, you go to statistics, and if your channel is monetized, at the bottom right you'll see monetization. You click on it. Okay, this channel is monetized, but I'm yet to start earning from it. And let me also take you through some of my channels that are monetized, and you'll be able to see how the earnings are. Okay, this channel is also monetized. It has 3,200 subscribers, and you see they pay in ton coin, just like YouTube pays in dollar. Telegram pays in ton coin. You see the balance. This is the balance I'm having, 0.291 ton coins. You click on it so that you'll be able to see the money in dollar and how much you can be able to withdraw. Okay, so this channel just recently got monetized not too long. I'm just having $1 on it, 0.29 ton coin. Let me go to the next channel that is also monetized. This channel is also monetized. It has 18,000 subscribers. You see the balance in ton coins is 5.346. If you want to see the money in dollar and how much I can be able to draw now, you see the money in dollars is $29. That is 5.28 coin. Okay, I have other platforms that are also monetized, but at least I've showed you um, these ones. Now, one surprising thing is that it's not about how many subscribers you have that make you to be monetized. Like for example, I have a channel that has more than 7,000 subscribers. You see, this is 7.7 k subscribers, but this channel is not monetized. Click on it, go to channel settings. Okay, click on statistics. You see there's no any monetization sign. So it is not about how many subscribers that you have. What actually happens is that before you stand a chance of being monetized, um, the advertisers have to pick interest on your own channel. When the advertisers pick interest on your own channel and they choose to display their ads on your channels, that's when you become monetized. It is unlike YouTube. Once you meet up with all the criteria, the next thing is for them to monetize you. You just apply and they monetize you. But Telegram reverse is the case. After meeting up with the criteria, then you have to wait for the advertisers to pick interest on your own channel. After picking interest on your own channel, then they will now be displaying the ads on your channels. Unlike YouTube, YouTube they display the ads on various channels. Okay, and now somebody might ask, how do I withdraw from Telegram? Telegram pays in Toncoin, just like I said, but then they have a third party that manages withdrawal, and they call it okay, let me see if I can remember. Let's go through one of my channels and let's see how their withdrawal policy is. Okay, they call it fragment. Yes, you can withdraw a fragment, so you have to create a fragment account, link it to your own channel, and you must have a wallet in your Telegram. Okay, then you can be able to do your withdrawal. You can either withdraw the money or use that money to promote your channel so that it will have more people coming, it will have more traffic, so that Telegram will advertise your channel to more people, and people can be able to join. Now, another thing that I will want to let us know is that how can you boost your earning on Telegram? How can you increase your earning? Okay, if you want to increase your earning, what I expected to be doing is to make sure that there is very good engagement on your own channel. Now, how do you track your engagement? If you want to track your engagement, you go to channel settings, you go to statistics, then you'll be able to see how good your channel is. If your channel is performing better, you'll be able to know under statistics. Like, for example, I'm already having 18,000 subscribers here, and um, uh, recently I've gotten an addition of plus 315 new subscribers, and the number of people that normally share my post have increased by plus 5. That is 250 percentage increase. But then I've gotten a reduction on my own views. The views per post I normally have has reduced by 879. That is minus 25%, and that is not too healthy for this channel. Despite the fact that I keep getting people joining, I keep having an increased number of people joining this Telegram, but then the views have reduced. Okay, so one has to monitor all these things for him to be able to know how to increase the earnings on Telegram. So, so far, these are the updates that I have for you. If there is any challenge that you have, please help drop it in the comment section. And please let us know if you have a Telegram channel that has been monetized and you're already earning money. Please do well to also drop it for us in the comment section. And remember, I have a one-on-one training that I offer. Okay, I offer trainings on monetization. If you want to monetize your Telegram, if you want to monetize your YouTube, if you want to monetize your Facebook, do well to reach out to me through the phone number that has been displayed on the screen. You can reach out to me no matter the country you are from. We'll be able to connect, and I will take you through on how you can monetize your platforms with ease. As you can see, I'm already earning on some of my Telegram channels. I have more than 10 Telegram channels and groups, and all of them are doing well, and I'm hoping to have many, because by that I'll be able to have more traffic. I'll be able to stand a chance of monetization. Okay, so please do well to give us a thumbs up if this video has been impactful to you. If it has added to your knowledge, please do well to like it and drop what you've learned in the comment section. Please do well to subscribe, okay, so that once I drop a new video, you receive a notification. Thank you, and bye bye.